this is the thing. I felt the first kart was grippier, but then I'm pushing more now that I'm in the other karts.
Way better steering rack on that car, but no top end.
Once I've come in here and I'm turning around, I'm trying to be smoother in my acceleration out.
If you hear any tires late,
when you feel it a little bit, it's like you totally suffer the lost speed on it, like. Especially when you got lighter people around you, which I've had many times. Someone did me on the inside actually coming up there because I just didn't have the speed. I'm sure there's one more race.
If you want to do the backwards race, meet me over here so I can get your name.
I'm sure there's one more race.
I will warn you, it's high speed, dumb drivers, bad things happen. Are you guys going to do it? There we go.
You three want to do the backwards? The black flag definitely would come out.
It might have to come out because it is a little bit more of a dangerous race. So it's 15 laps, backwards obviously. Show of hands who wants it on the oval.
I'm too stupid to know. I choose fun.
Alex, Tomo, Ricky, Lionel.
We're gonna do this again. I'm just gonna watch you drive away from me again. This is great. Get faster, like cut a leg off, man. Like what?
Yeah, more or less lose a few pounds.
Yeah, right.
60 with the
Actually,
that
160? Actually,
I got 65 pounds on you, man.
With this race, not everybody's running the same weight. You run the same weight, then it comes down to skill, you know.
Yeah.
But if you got a guy who's lighter, he's gonna be a little bit faster.
Yep. got screwed by traffic. I chose wrong. I should have followed Alex. I thought I needed a better eggs on the outside, and he had. That was good fun. He broke away. He was good. That was good.
Well, I played at the end there. That was sick. You got me good there.
Alex was the smart one. He went on the outside.
You behind me, so I like pushed too hard and I felt it go.
I got a rock in my ass.
Oh, did you? That wasn't me, I swear. I tried the up and under on you before the line. I was just squeezing you the whole time on the last corner. That was good fun. Oh, I got freight trained on the last lap.
You have to tell me what that is. Yes, the old freight train.
No, there was a bit of traffic. Alex and I split traffic, so we went either side.
More on it.
No, let's do it.
You want to do it?
How you feeling? You feeling tired?
A little bit. Yeah, man. I mean, look at me. Come on then, let's send it.
Yeah? Tomo Grigo, let's go. First two names, let's do it. I know, yeah.
Yeah. I played, man. It was good. It was good. It was fun. Here as well, and it was like a. I don't know how close I actually was, but I felt pretty close, man. Felt pretty cool.
Yeah.
Check the replay.
Yeah.
No, we'll watch
Mary
it
will be
tonight.
so
when we
excited.
get home.
Yeah.
Mary, watch this. Numpty in a go-kart. And really scary and really dangerous. I'm kind of brave. So was Alex your man or not? Did he betray you in the end? Like,
100% betrayed me. When I went left, I just saw two people on the outside. It like shunted from behind. And I was just like,
That's the freight train.
That's the freight train. When you lose,
does it
more than
send
one
you off?
position-
Does it?
No. It just means that like you're off. Like
Your line
it's
is off
braking,
now.
and yeah, it's
Yeah.
It's called loading.
Are you just getting in? You getting involved?
Figured the
You're gonna probably eat shit.
Oh, good. I just paid
doubt
20 quid to eat
I know,
shit. What are you thinking about already, knowing that you're going backwards?
Fight, lock up, going into this hairpin. Yeah, how late can you go without locking up the rears?
Are you going to be on the brake? You're going to let go? Nah, just ease off.
I don't think so.
No, I think it'll be
I
flat.
think so.
Yeah.
Flat.
Flat. I had no throttle until the last 5%, so it's either flat or it's off. So it's just it's a binary throttle in that last car.
So
I know, he was in 8. He was in 8 as well. Yeah, that's why you were fast.
there you go, yeah.
We've decided that car 8 is the fast one. It's not the driver. It's just totally.
But I feel like the engine is pretty stable power, which they don't lose a lot of power on different corners, stuff like that.
Some of them have better top end though. Some of them definitely have a better top
Yeah,
end.
the number 12 have the newest tire. That one is.
You race lemons?
I raced lemons last week. Yeah.
Ooh.
Oh, is that the reaction I should have had when you told me that? Yeah, it makes sense.
Cool, man. What's your name? Sorry.
Lionel.
Lionel and Tom. How you doing, man?
Laps and then we leave.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Anything gonna happen is the first 2 laps.
Yeah, exactly. It's good to meet you guys. If I don't make it, that's the one with no grip. So enjoy yourself. Yeah.
Perfect.
I'm getting mine. Okay. You don't need it, right?
So
Either one works. Oh yeah, gets the full view.
15 laps. He was just watching me land in my line, biding his time. Here's me thinking I had a quick car. And he just decided with 2 laps to go that he'd had enough. And so had I. Obviously a car that ended up, but what great configuration for the track. My day. What a blast.
I'm glad we did the reverse one. That was fun.
Yeah, it was rad. Well played, guys. Cheers.
Are you guys from Scotland?
Yeah.
Really? I couldn't place your accent.
No, yeah, Scotland, yeah. Me and my friend. He lives here. I've just come out to visit him. So he's the race car driver. I borrowed his shoes.
Oh, really?
Yeah, which is probably why he's quite used. Like, this guy must be fast wearing the shoes.
I was like,
no.
don't mess with that guy.
Power, man.
When you're coming past, I'm like, check it, man. Check it. It's a lot of fun.
No. I seriously, in between the two base corners, I could not get that figured out. So that was the gap you were pulling away for
You
like.
were trying it on the first lap, the sparks were flying. You had how you caught that? I'm so glad I was filming that.
Yeah. There were a couple there. Yeah. Right after the start finish, a couple. The rear stepped out and I caught it. Yeah.
No, it made for some good racing.
It's good fun.
But with 2 laps to go, you had my number by then.
Yeah, I
You'd
was
seen
getting
exactly
it.
the line. You were always gaining on me. Like,
Yes.
Coming around there, I struggled with that bend right there. Take it flat or not, or come out wide, and then and it
The
just makes
ladder
a whole
was what
area.
I figured out. Yeah.
And it gets you right on the rumble on the side before you come around the other bend, which is slippy, which is really fun.
Oh yeah,
'cause you're coming
somebody
at a bit of
kicked up
speed.
dirt. The other part,
Yeah.
someone kicked up dirt
Yeah.
there in between the two banks. So it was like whoever did that was helping him out a lot.
right. I couldn't believe how I was
Exciting.
gapping you. I was like, I've got the strongest car by a mile. It felt like I had the strongest car. Then you figured it out. Like as soon as I saw the white flag, I was like, well, that's it. Alex coming through. Well, this guy definitely got first.
Yeah. First loser.
Hey, I'll take it.